Bowen, listen to me. These peels are treasure.
Are onion peels just trash? Absolutely not. Hidden within these golden layers is a powerful ingredient that strengthens our vascular health. Hello, I'm Data Chef Tigo. Based on FDA data, I'm here to show you scientifically proven ways to protect and maintain your health. The secret is quercetin, a potent antioxidant. Surprisingly, onion peels contain a concentration of quercetin up to 30 times higher than the flesh itself. This quercetin helps purify blood vessels by removing waste and plays a vital role in building a robust immune system. Onions are universally recognized as a safe and healthy staple food. To get the maximum benefits, using the outer peel is key. Ready to make it yourself? All you need are the cleaned peels from about 3 onions and 1 liter of water. Koreans have a long-standing tradition and wisdom of drinking this tea to improve circulation and maintain overall health. Now bring this healthy habit into your own kitchen. Drinking just 1 or 2 cups a day consistently is the perfect amount.
Data Chef Tigo highly recommends this.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Stay healthy, everyone. Does cutting onions always bring you to tears? It can be quite frustrating. But why do onions make us cry? And is it actually harmful to our eyes? Hello, I'm Data Chef Tigo. Based on FDA data, I'm here to show you scientifically proven ways to protect and maintain your health. When you slice an onion, broken cells release a volatile gas called Syn-Propanethial-S-oxide. When this gas mixes with the moisture in your eyes, it creates a tiny amount of sulfuric acid, triggering your eyes to produce tears as a defense mechanism. Don't worry. Medical experts confirm that the irritation caused by this gas is only temporary and does not cause permanent damage to your eyes. The most effective way to reduce tears is to chill the onions before cutting. Cold temperatures slow down the release of the gas. Using a very sharp knife to minimize cell damage also helps significantly. Paradoxically, the same compounds that cause tears also possess powerful anti-inflammatory and circulation-improving properties. They are key players in the vascular health we discussed in our last episode.
Data Chef Tigo highly recommends this.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. See you next time with more healthy data. Stay healthy. There are 3 main types of onions we commonly eat. The popular white onion, the red onion, perfect for salads, and the flavorful shallot. Today we're focusing on the star of our kitchen, the white onion. Hello, I'm Data Chef Tigo. Based on FDA data, I'm here to show you scientifically proven ways to protect and maintain your health. White onions are known for their high moisture content and crunchy texture. Compared to other varieties, they become exceptionally sweet when cooked, making them the perfect base for various American dishes such as BBQ sauces, soups, and sautés. However, be cautious when eating them raw. The raw alkaline components and sulfur compounds that give white onions their sharp taste can severely irritate the stomach lining. Medical data shows that if you have a sensitive stomach or acid reflux, raw onions can trigger heartburn, so it's highly recommended to cook them. Then, how should we store white onions? Because of their high moisture content, it's best to keep them in a mesh bag in a cool, well-ventilated space at room temperature. If they are already peeled, dry them completely and store them in an airtight container in the fridge to prevent them from turning mushy. The deep purple color of red onions comes from anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that protect your heart. According to clinical data, they contain higher levels of quercetin than white onions, which helps lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation. Hello, I'm Data Chef Tigo. Uncover the vibrant world of red onions, packed with powerful nutrients, but requiring a few essential cautions. However, there is an important caution. Red onions are rich in vitamin K, which promotes blood clotting. If you are taking blood thinners like Warfarin, consuming large amounts of raw red onions might interfere with your medication. Always consult your doctor. To preserve their nutrients and color, store them in a cool, dark, dry place, never in plastic bags. When cooking, adding a splash of vinegar or lemon juice helps maintain that beautiful purple color instead of it turning gray. Try making quick pickled red onions. Just soak thinly sliced red onions in a mixture of vinegar, sugar, salt, and water, and you're good to go. It goes perfectly with any dish. They might look like tiny red onions, but these little gems pack a much more complex, sweet, and aristocratic flavor profile. Today, we are deep diving into the world of shallots, based on FDA data. Hello, I'm Data Chef Tigo. Based on FDA data, I'm here to show you scientifically proven ways to protect and maintain your health. Don't let their size fool you. Clinical data shows shallots contain significantly higher levels of antioxidants than regular onions. They are rich in apigenin and quercetin, which effectively fight inflammation and boost your immune system. However, shallots are incredibly high in fructans, a type of soluble fiber. For those with sensitive stomachs or IBS, eating too many shallots can trigger severe bloating, gas, and digestive discomfort. The ultimate way to enjoy them? Make crispy fried shallots. Thinly slice and flash fry them until golden brown. It concentrates their sweetness and adds an amazing crunch. It pairs beautifully with just about anything.
Data Chef Tigo highly recommends this.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. See you next time with more healthy data. Stay healthy. Without sugar, you can bring out deeper umami and sweetness in cooking than sugar itself. Does that even make sense? Hello, I'm Data Chef Tigo. Based on FDA data, I'm here to show you scientifically proven ways to protect and maintain your health. Today, based on strict chemical data, discover the science behind making onions 50 times sweeter. No tricks, just pure science. This is the science of caramelization. Raw onions are pungent because of a sulfur compound called isoalein. But when heat hits the pan, this compound breaks down and evaporates into the air. The chemical matrix shifts, and the blinding sharpness completely disappears. Thinly sliced onions, cooked slowly over medium-low heat for 30 to 50 minutes, become perfectly caramelized onions. You can use them in curry, pasta, soups, or even meat dishes. And for an extra layer of flavor, add a splash of balsamic vinegar or even a touch of beer. Here is the scientific fact. As cooking continues at high temperatures, the onion's complex carbohydrates undergo pyrolysis, breaking down into simple sugars. These sugars then synthesize into Propyl Mercaptan, a compound with a sweetening power 50 times greater than regular sucrose. This isn't burning, it's a non-enzymatic browning reaction. It takes time and patience, but this golden paste adds an unparalleled deep umami and sweetness to curries and soups. Science never lies in the kitchen.
Data Chef Tigo highly recommends this.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. See you next time with more healthy data. Stay healthy.